In today's video, we will replace the turn signal bulb for 2010 Toyota Corolla. From the edge of the bumper where the fender is, we actually need to take out this one clip. Here I'm using a clip remover tool to take it out. Clip is actually made of two parts. One is the top part and the other is the bottom one. Both needs to be taken out. Once the clip is taken out, now we will push the fender liner to make some room. Right there is the plug that we need to take out because it has the bulb for the turn signal. Now in order to take this bulb out, we have to turn this plug anti-clockwise and then we pull out the plug. I'm going to punch in my arm there so you might not be able to see it properly, but I'm just trying to explain you guys in advance on what I'm going to do right now. There we are turning the plug anti-clockwise and then we are taking it out. We got the bulb taken out. Now in order to take out the bulb, all you have to do is just pull it out. Just like that. Now suppose you got a new bulb and you want to put it back. It does not matter if it's this way or the other. Any way is fine. All you have to do is just punch in the bulb in the plug and then push it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. There you go. We got the bulb installed in the plug. Now we have to put the plug back where we took it out from. This is actually a critical step. You have to make sure the plug is completely in and only then you turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. There we got the plug installed and it's not coming out. Now we will go ahead and put back the part of the fender liner. I noticed this clip came out while I was pulling the part of the fender liner, so I will just show you guys how to put it back. This clip right there. All you can do is just slide this clip back like that and it just goes in. Now we will just push in the fender liner inside the fender. The clip side stays out, this corner and then this corner needs to go actually inside the fender. Looks good. Now we will put back the clip. Remember it's a two-part clip. We will put the bottom side first and making sure it goes into the hole and then we will put the top part. Clip is installed and it's not coming out. Here we ended up replacing the turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. The only tool we used in this process is the clip remover tool.